from Data Coins. Today we're going to talk about an article came on CoinWeek about double denomination will be 2 coins and how that happening, and you can explain step by step. Stay tuned and let's see. As you can see, double denomination or 2 coins in one, that's the title. And the information profiled by BCTS is the mint arrow type at double denomination is exactly what that means in price. 2 different denominations on the same coin. Such a coin will have the design of 2 or more different denominations of coins on it. Usually dramatic arrow types in appear and popular with collectors. The type denomination is known among all modern as well as older coin series. So that means can happen any type of the coins, any period. How does this arrow type occur? In order for a double denomination to be made, it always starts with a normal strike coin. The coin is being accidentally fed in the coinage press of another denomination of coin and overstruck with the ties. The result of this is a coin with the metal and the sign of the first coin, but also a second design struck over the top of it. It's basically one coin struck on the top of another one. Additionally, the coin edge will exhibit the edge design of the coin being overstruck. For example, if there is a Jefferson nickel struck one time, the coin will have a rear edge because the time have a rear edge. If the Kennedy $half is struck on Jefferson nickel, it will have a smooth edge because nickel has a smooth edge. Double denomination frequently refer to the denomination that they are made of up such 11 cents, 35 cents. That's the nickname they created. 11 cents will refer to a cent struck one time. Basically, they are up the denomination. Time is 10 cents, cent is 1 cent, then plus 1 is 11. That makes 11 cents. A 35 cents will refer to a quarter strike one time. If the Sagakoya strike one nickel, it will be $5. The denomination symbol added together to come up with the new denomination. In the photo here, 35 cents 1964 Washington quarters if overstruck on 1964 time. Through the design is not strong, it's a feasible the underquarter strike. The coin has a full reading edge with former time reading edge. The coin was accidentally fed in the Washington quarters, and the press of strike with the quarter ties make the double arrow. That will be this one, as you can see, 1964, mint arrow 25 cents, with a certified coin by BCTS MS64, double denomination on strike 10 cent. And then you see the size that's the size of the time. Okay, and then you kind of see another sample, a 1980p Roosevelt time. Also, it's a mint arrow certified by BCTS MS66, double denomination strike on 10 cents. You guys have to be careful that a lot of people faking those double denomination. The way they fake it, they choose coin stamp at the coin, and sometimes they use the tools to make the size of the quarters, for example, looks like the size of the time. So you have to pay attention on it. It's not just to see, oh, looks like the size of the quarter, the size of the time, but it's stamp a quarter. It's not a means, it's arrow. Okay, always make sure the weight match, especially the edge, the rim, have to show a time rim. Okay, on the edge have to be read, and vice versa. So The size of the branch, the way it's supposed to be with a round stroke coin on top of the branch, follow the branch size, follow the branch information. So that way we will verify if the coin is original or not. Okay, people collect those errors. People collect those added up tied denominations. It is highly collectible. It is error can find, like as they say, any series, can be old coins, can be modern coins, but make as well they faking a lot. Okay, make sure the technical information of the original branch match. Okay, because it's really important. It's not impossible to fake it, especially if it's a wrong denomination on a smaller size of a small denomination. It's so easy to fake it. Okay, so for the technical information. Okay, to be continued, uh, there are some coins that look like double denomination in many ways, but are not in fact the error type. One of the is a off-metal error. Each is a coin strike on the branch intended for a different coin series. For example, a Jefferson nickel on cent branch is a cent branch that is struck on the nickel ties. The coin will have the sign of the nickel, but it's struck on the smaller copper branch of a cent. The major difference with the make this coin of metal is not a top domination, it's that there will be no design from cent at all on the coin. It's a different type of error. Of metals never have more than one design on them, whereas double denomination always have the design of two or more different coins. They are double denominations that are actually made up of three different coin series and sometimes referred to triple denomination. Of course, it's extremely rare. Another type of coins which is commonly mistaken as double denomination is a coin star or intentionally overstruck. Not amid errors, but intentional by the government. This coin occasionally on old coins, they are reason of another government intention of struck a previous coin design with a new design. Additionally, some early American coins are found overstruck as well, such as certain date/cent and half cents. Basically, that's all. Let's see. Let's finish it up. However, far away from the most common types are Lincoln cent on Roosevelt times, they call 11 cents, and the Jefferson nickel and the Lincoln cent, they call 6 cents. It's safe to say that all other denomination combination are scarce. So besides Lincoln cent on time and the Jefferson nickel and cent, which is kind of common for this type of error, besides that, everything is scarce. It's really hard to find it. Most of the combination have less than around 25 to 50 knowns on the entire coin series. For example, Jefferson nickel no strike on Roosevelt times, but they are very scarce. With proper fears, the 50 knowing compile on proof and the business strike. Kennedy half dollars are no strike on Jefferson nickel, but they are probably less than 15 on the entire series, so it means it's rare. There's a lot of money to be making, that's why they fake it. Because of the rarity, the only coin series that offer large availability are the Lincoln cents or Roosevelt times and the Jefferson nickel on Lincoln cents. There's a particular truth the Lincoln cent on Roosevelt times, for which series there is no proper more double denomination known that all old US coin series put together. That's the most popular. Collection by dates been largely accomplished for the 11 cents. Throughout it will be fairly challenging as some years are unique or close to it. Another way to collect a double denomination is to get as many double denomination combinations as possible, such as 25 cents on 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, etc. Collect double denomination is daunting. but the challenge to the rarest and dramatic nature of the coin make it a lot of fun for collectors and make it really difficult. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys get some information about tablet denomination. And if you guys have one, let us know. If you have a raw coin, I recommend to send to third-party certification coins to slap the coin and to verify it is original from the mint or somebody may look like. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.